Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I hope my previous lecture is clear to you. So today we will discuss next chapter. So welcome to my next lecture. Grade 6, chapter 4, topic sorting materials into the group. Firstly, what is sorting? Sorting is the grouping of objects together with similar properties, that is known as sorting. So let's get going. Rahul's mother bought some household items, that is placed in circle. Help her sort the items and draw a line to connect each item to the correct row. So what you have to do, there are different items in the circle and you have to place these items according to their place. In this activity you sorted things based on how each item is used. There are many ways of sorting things. That is basically depend upon similarities and the dissimilarities of things. In this chapter, you will learn about some of the property that is based on which classification of material can be done. Okay, so let's start this chapter. First is the classification of material. First, what is classification? Grouping of material based on their property and appearance, that is called classification. उनकी प्रॉपर्टी और अपीयरेंस के बेस पे किसी भी मटेरियल को ग्रुप करना, that is classification. Some of the properties based on which material can be sorted or classified are discussed below. There are different properties. Let's start with luster. The shine of the material, that is known as luster, in the material that shine or appear shiny are called lustrous material. If we are talking about the example, so gold, silver, pearl and gemstones are a few examples of the lustrous material. And the materials that are not shine or appear dull, these are known as non-lustrous material. Example, paper, rubber, wood and cardboard, these are the non-lustrous material. Second property is the hardness. There are different type of the material. Some material can be hard and some can be soft. So soft material are those materials that are easy to compress, जो easily compress हो जाते हैं. And the materials that are difficult to compress, these are known as hard material. In the picture you can see soft material and hard material. Soft material include teddy bear and pillows and all, and hard material include stones. Next property is the texture. Texture of a substance is how it feels when touched. When we touch anything, so what's the feeling about that object? Okay. Based on the texture, materials can be grouped as rough or smooth. In the rough materials that have uneven or irregular surfaces. Okay, surfaces of rough material have the ridges or bumps that can be felt upon touching. And smooth materials that have even surfaces are called smooth material. Okay, and the surface of smooth materials do not have ridges. In the picture you can see rough metal and smooth materials. Okay, so next property is the state. Based on the states, materials can be grouped as solid, liquid and gases. Okay, so there are some points are there. In the solid, they have definite shape and definite volume, whereas in liquid do not have definite shape but have a definite volume. In gases do not have a definite shape and volume. Second point is that in the solid, tightly packed particles are there. That means least space are there between the particles. And liquid particles are loosely packed as compared to solid. Whereas in gases, particles are widely packed. There is most space are there in the particles. Third point, particles cannot move freely because of the tightly packed. No space is there, that's why. In the liquid, particles can move. In the gases, particles can move freely in any direction, making the gases fill the entire container in which they are contained. Next point, solid that cannot be compressed due to tight packing of the particles. And liquid can be compressed to a small extent due to loose packing of the particles. And gases, they are highly compressible due to freely packed particles. ओके तो सॉलिड क्या है, बहुत ही टाइट होते हैं, डेफिनेट शेप और वॉल्यूम होती है. लिक्विड की कोई डेफिनेट शेप तो होती है लेकिन वॉल्यूम नहीं होता. गैसेस में ना डेफिनेट शेप होती है और ना ही डेफिनेट वॉल्यूम होती है. ओके, इन द पिक्चर यू कैन सी देयर आर डिफरेंट picture of the solid, liquid and gas. So rest part we will discuss in the next lecture. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, be happy.